Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS display. And right now we'll be discussing about the block level element. A block level element always starts on a new line and takes up the full width available, stretches out to the left and right as far as it can. The div element is a block level element, and h1 element, the h1 element also to the h6 element, they are all block level element. P tag is also a block level element. Form element is also. So let me show you all this, how all this works together. And once again, previously I've discussed about this block level element and inline level element. I want to show you another way you can identify them easily again. So let me remove all this. So this one we are here for. Let me remove all this. We are here for block level element only. So I wrote something here which is display block. Right now, let's reload our document. Now we are having this display block. How can you identify, how can you know if this element right here is a block level element? So to identify it is, anytime you are writing anything, maybe if you copy this same h1 element, you place this type of h1 element immediately after this one again. If they align together like this in this same way, when you save it, when you reload like this, can you see they align in that same way? Definitely they are both block level element. I will give you another element that can do like that again. P tag is part of it. Let me write something there. Let me call it display. I just want to write something there like this and save it and reload. Let me reload. Can you see P tag also come immediately? Let me copy my P again, paste more. You are going to see what will happen again when I reload. Can you see it's come immediately? The reason why they are jumping to the next line immediately is because it's a block level element which take the full width of your paragraph, of a single paragraph. So no matter what you write inside here, so it will take the full width and jump to the new line, but it will never, and if it jump to a new line, it will never allow any other element to stay beside it inside that new line. Let's say for instance we write wow inside here. Now it will never allow the wow to stay beside here at all. The wow will just come to the new line. Can you see the wow come to the new line? Even if we write it beside it, let's say we write it beside it like this, it will never allow it to stay beside it. You just write it before the, can you see? Wow. So that's part of the thing you have to note when you are talking about the block level element. And if you carry this P element, now you paste them. I paste this P element. Let me carry this P element and paste it by the side of this first one. It will never look in that manner. It will always come after each other. They will always come after each other, no matter how we align them on a straight line. Let's place them on this. Let's put them on a straight line. Let's turn this one to h2 tag. I'm purposely showing you guys all this so you guys can understand the main thing behind this display block or whatsoever block level element. Can you see? They never allow any element beside each other, and they always break to the new line. That's what I want you guys to note. So it's very nice when you practice, because practice make perfect. So everything you are seeing right here, despite the fact that I put them on a straight line like this, it will never be on a straight line. So that's what you should note. The only way you can write things inside this and make it on inside the same line is only when you write something inside the main opening and closing element. Maybe this is a block element, this h1 is a block element right here, and I want other things inside it, then write that thing inside this place, and this thing you write inside this place is going to be on the same line. Can you see? Now it's on the same, but this place that I write now, if it doesn't, if it is not inside this h1 element like this, if it's outside like this, it will never stand beside the block element. That's how it works. And what akorede ayofe is my name once again. I wish to see you guys next time. To the next tutorial. Peace and love. Have a great day. Thank you so much. Bye.